In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create comparative balance sheets in QuickBooks Online in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a small business owner, accountant, or just getting started with financial data management, this guide will walk you through the steps you need to take to generate insightful comparison reports. So let's jump right into it and simplify this process together. First, you'll want to sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Open up your browser and head over to the QuickBooks website. If you're not signed in already, click on the Sign In button. Remember to keep your login credentials on hand. Data security is crucial, so make sure your password is robust and secure. Once you're logged in, select the option for QuickBooks Online from your dashboard. This will take you into the main interface where you can access all your business's financial data. Now enter your credentials and continue to the main dashboard if prompted. It is important to ensure you have the correct login details to make this step as smooth as possible. QuickBooks might prompt you for additional verification, especially if you're logging in from a new device or location. With that done, navigate to the Reports section of QuickBooks. This section is pivotal as it holds all the analytical tools and data visualization features you'll need. You can either find this option in the menu bar at the left or use the search function for faster access. After you're in the Reports section, utilize the search bar to type in Business Snapshot. This will narrow down the options, directing you to the exact feature you need to generate your comparative balance sheets. QuickBooks offers a bevy of analytical tools, but the Business Snapshot is particularly tailored for visualizing and summarizing your financial position across different periods. Click on Business Snapshot when it appears in the list. You'll want to select this report because it gives you a quick view of your business's financial standings and allows for detailed period comparisons. Now you're ready to customize your report. This customization step is essential because it lets you choose the specific timeframes you want to compare. Whether you're looking to compare the financial stats from previous quarters, fiscal years, or any specific month, QuickBooks provides the flexibility to tailor your report according to your exact needs. Adjust the comparison periods by selecting the desired timeframes from the drop-down menus. Be sure to double-check these selections to ensure accuracy. When you're satisfied with your choices, apply these settings to generate your comparative balance sheet. And there you have it, your detailed comparative balance sheet is now ready for analysis. You can now utilize this information to make informed decisions about your business strategy moving forward. If you'd like to preserve the report for future reference, consider exporting it as a PDF or Excel file for your records. Thanks for watching, and feel free to like and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips.